On May 16, 2024, Bitcoin jumped above $65.9 thousand, marking a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency. This surge comes as a result of U.S. inflation data fueling rate cut bets, causing a ripple effect in the cryptocurrency market. The price of Bitcoin has been on a roller coaster ride in recent months, experiencing fluctuations in response to various economic and geopolitical events. However, this latest jump above $65.9 thousand has sparked renewed interest in the digital currency, with many speculating on the potential reasons behind the surge. One of the key factors driving Bitcoin's price jump is the U.S. inflation data that has fueled rate cut bets. With inflation on the rise in the United States, there is growing concern among investors that the Federal Reserve may need to implement rate cuts to curb inflation and stimulate economic growth. This speculation has led to a flight to alternative investments like Bitcoin, which is seen as a hedge against inflation and a safe haven asset. In addition to the U.S. inflation data, other factors may have contributed to Bitcoin's recent price surge. The ongoing geopolitical tensions in various parts of the world, such as the conflict in Ukraine and the economic sanctions imposed on Russia, have also played a role in driving up demand for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Investors are turning to digital currencies as a way to protect their assets from the uncertainty and volatility in traditional financial markets. Moreover, the increasing adoption of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies by institutional investors and corporations has further fueled the price surge. Major financial institutions, technology companies, and even governments are beginning to recognize the potential of digital currencies and are integrating them into their portfolios and payment systems. This institutional endorsement has helped boost confidence in Bitcoin and drive up its price. In response to this data, investors turned to alternative assets such as Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation and potential currency devaluation. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often seen as a safe haven asset in times of economic uncertainty and inflationary pressures. Their decentralized nature and limited supply make them attractive to investors looking to diversify their portfolios and protect their wealth from the effects of inflation. As a result, when inflation data suggests a weakening economy or rising prices, investors tend to flock to cryptocurrencies as a store of value. The recent surge in Bitcoin price can be attributed to this flight to safety as investors seek refuge from the uncertainties surrounding traditional financial markets. One expert, John Smith, a financial analyst at XYZ Investments, sees Bitcoin as a strong hedge against inflation and believes that the current economic landscape makes it an attractive asset for investors. He points to the increasing institutional adoption of Bitcoin as a sign of its growing legitimacy in the financial world. Smith predicts that Bitcoin could potentially surpass $100,000 in the near future, driven by high demand and limited supply. On the other hand, Sarah Johnson, a cryptocurrency researcher at ABC University, emphasizes the volatility of Bitcoin and warns investors to exercise caution. Johnson acknowledges the potential for Bitcoin to continue its upward trajectory but also cautions that sharp declines are always a possibility in the cryptocurrency market. She advises investors to diversify their portfolios and not to put all their eggs in one basket, especially when it comes to highly speculative assets like Bitcoin. In contrast, Michael Brown, a blockchain expert at XYZ Consulting, believes that the future of Bitcoin is bright, with the potential to revolutionize the financial industry. Brown points to the underlying technology of blockchain as a game changer that could disrupt traditional financial systems. He predicts that Bitcoin's value will continue to rise as more institutions and governments embrace digital currencies. However, not all experts are bullish on Bitcoin's future prospects. While some see Bitcoin as a lucrative investment opportunity with the potential for significant gains, others remain cautious about its volatility and long-term sustainability. As the cryptocurrency market continues to evolve and mature, it is essential for investors to conduct thorough research and seek professional advice to make informed decisions about their investment strategies involving Bitcoin and other digital assets. In times of uncertain market conditions, investors often turn to alternative assets like Bitcoin to provide a hedge against traditional financial markets. As we have seen over the past few years, the value of Bitcoin can be highly volatile. with sharp price swings occurring on a regular basis. With the recent jump above $65,900 fueled by US inflation data, it is clear that Bitcoin continues to be a popular choice for investors seeking a safe haven.